Good morning, children. Welcome to Science Session 2. Okay. Now, as you can see the quote written over there, science is a poetry of reality. So, I believe you are enjoying this poetry. We have already started chapter 2, Food and Health, and you have already discussed or understood different components of food. Now, do you think that only those components are there in your daily meals? Whatever meals you have, after your meal, you always drink water. Yes. Now, water, today the aim is to understand the role of water and roughage in our diet. You should know why we drink water. Now, first thing is role of water. Water is very important for our daily life and for living and for working. You might have noticed that when you don't drink water, then you feel like very thirsty and you get hiccups, and many times you feel very drowsy and lazy. So you should know various uses of water. The first use is it allows to pass the food. From where? From our mouth through the esophagus, the water allows to pass the food down till our stomach. This is the solution for your hiccups. And then water also helps to transport the nutrients. It transports the nutrients through various parts of body because our blood is also liquid. So water helps us to transport the nutrients to various parts of our body. Water also helps to maintain the temperature. How? You might have seen that when you play in sunlight, in summer or in any other season, you start feeling very hot and the temperature of your body rises. Then you drink water, and when you drink water, the body temperature is maintained. It becomes normal. So there are three uses of water. Why we drink water? First, it allows the food to pass. Second, it transports the nutrients. And third is, it maintains the temperature of your body. I hope you have understood. Now we move to the next very important part of our diet, and that is roughage. You might have noticed that every day during your meals, you eat salads, or your parents might ask you to eat fruits and vegetables raw with the peels. So anything which you eat raw and with the peels, that comes under roughage, or we also call it as dietary fibers. And those roughage or dietary fibers are very important for our body. Although they don't give any, they don't have any function, they are not nutrients, they don't give you nutrients. But this water and roughage, they play a major role in our food. Now see, role of roughage, it adds bulks to your food. Bulk means the quantity of the food increases when you take roughage, and you don't feel hungry for a long time because they take time to digest. Second, it helps in digestion of food. When you will take roughage in your diet, your food will be properly digested. Role of roughage we were discussing. Now it helps in digestion of food. Whatever food you eat, that is digested properly when you eat large quantity of fruits and vegetables with their peels. So this roughage or dietary fiber help in proper digestion of your food. Then the most important role of roughage is that it helps in proper removal. It helps in proper removal of waste. Now many people might have said in front of you that they suffer from a problem of constipation. That is, they are not able to remove their waste properly. Now, if you face this problem, or if you hear somebody saying this, then you have to suggest them that they should eat lots of roughage in their diet, because roughage removes the waste from their body. So now I believe you might have understood the role of roughage and the role of water. Last we come to the major thing, and that is the balanced diet. Now can you frame what is a balanced diet? A balanced diet is a diet that contain an adequate amount of all the nutrients, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals and proteins along with water and roughage. And the quantity also matters. That is appropriate quantity it should be. They should not be all equal. They should be different. Now how will you know how much carbohydrate you will eat, how much protein you will eat? For that, scientists have designed a pyramid. We call it as food pyramid, and in that food pyramid, carbohydrates comes at the last. When it comes at the last, it means that most of the carbohydrates should be eaten. Then comes the vitamins and minerals, and then proteins, and finally at the top there is fat. Top means a little bit of fat each day. When you will design your diet according to the food pyramid and you will eat plenty of water and take roughage, then you will form a balanced diet. Now how many glasses of water every day you drink? You should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. So I hope you have understood this topic, that balanced diet is a diet which contains appropriate amount of all the components of food, water and roughage. Now students, I would like you to enjoy the YouTube videos and enjoy the song which I am posting for you. I hope you enjoyed today's class. Thank you so much.
The boy and the food items eaten by him. The food consists of potatoes, oil, ghee, pulses, green vegetables, milk and eggs. Do you think it is sufficient? Can his diet be called a balanced diet? Let us find out. After keeping on having this diet, the boy suffers from stomachache. A doctor comes to diagnose him. Did you drink water after having your meals? And did your meal involve some grain, carrot or cabbage? I took all the nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals and proteins. Are they not sufficient? They are also necessary, but along with this, there are two more essential nutrients which do not have any nutritive value but are necessary for us. These nutrients are roughage and water.
Dear, have water after having your meal.
Why is it important to drink water?
Water does not provide any energy but performs many chemical reactions, removes waste and also regulates body temperature. You should drink 8 glasses of water every day. There are some foods that are not digested by our body. They help in digestion process and maintain water balance. They are called roughage. Now you have understood that there are different food groups. But do you know that all these should be taken in proper amount? Yes, all the nutrients in right amount make a balanced diet. You can see the food pyramid. The carbohydrates are required in large amount, followed by the proteins, and then the vitamins and minerals. At the top is the fat. The balanced diet will help in our growth and development and make us free from deficiency diseases.
Is my song about the food that goes in your mouth? What you put in, you get out. You're for welfare if you're healthy. Don't forget to exercise. It will improve your quality of life. You need both of these to survive. You're for welfare if you're healthy. I'm your teacher when I'm talking, I need you to be quiet. Today's learning objective is all about your diet. Are you listening? If you're not, suggest that we try it, cause knowledge is power, especially when you apply it. So what's the diet then? Simple, it's the food that you'll be eating. Shouts to vegetarians, meat eaters and all the vegans. You're needing a balance, and balances keep you even. Meaning, food is your route to improve your being. More proof. Okay dude, let me hit you with the truth. A balanced diet can be split into 7 key food groups. Number 1, move, carbohydrates coming through, bringing bread past the rice and sweet potatoes too. Number 2, to keep you lean you gotta eat your protein. Get it from your meats and cheese, your nuts and your seeds. Number 3 is fruit and veg. you know the rest. Vitamins make you big and strong like your parents said. Number 4's kinda similar, minerals be giving ya. Calcium and iron, you be flying when they're filling ya. Fiber's fiber, digestion keeps you regular. Find it in your cereals, I'm seriously telling ya. 6, I don't wait for a spanner in the mix. It's often when you hear the word facts, it's negative. Telling you they're bad, but not all of them. Make some tips. You draw energy from fats and dairy, nuts and fish. It's number 7 is the clue. You gotta take a sip. Otherwise known as H2O, it keeps you hydrated. Keeps your body functioning, it keeps you feeling fit. Especially when you're mixing it with the other 6. Come on!
This is my song about the food that goes in your mouth. What you put in, you get